Hello everybody, my name is Riley Smith, and I'm here to tell you that there is actually a way to do iMovie intros. So some of you probably didn't know about this, but you actually can do iMovie intros, and that's pretty much really simple. It just requires just a few things. One, the iMovie app itself. Two, some editing. And three, you have to use iMovie again. So I'm about to show you the stuff that you can use, and that is pretty easy to do. So we go on to iMovie. Yeah, those are some video projects I'm working on right now. So yeah, a little teaser for you, by the way. So this is pretty much all you have to do. All you have to do is just go onto like the add button, the plus button. Yeah, plus button. I mean. And what you want to do is that don't go onto movie. Go onto trailer itself. Now, some of you probably seen like these type of intros a lot. And one thing that you didn't know actually, that you can make some of these intros your own intros by having your own name in them. Like, for example, like I have one with, hang on. I think I have one with this one. Yeah, so I see that was like an intro right there. Until that was loud in your ears, I didn't realize I had to turn down the volume. So anyway, what you have to do is that you have to go on to create. And pretty much, not to do like anything at this point, you can just make it say, I don't think it's this one though. No, it's not this one. Oopsie. Here it is. So you go on to right here on the top part where it says Riley Smith, and for example, you don't have to do like anything at this part. You just have to like just type in the name right here. Say like you just want to type in like, say if your name was, I don't know, maybe like Ryan or something. Oops, I type in yeah. Ryan. And yeah, you can also make this as your intro and outro. So after that, when you're done making the intro of your name, you just hit done. And don't do anything else if you don't want to. And you just go onto the square arrow thing, I forgot what it's called. And go on to save video. You have to choose what size you want to do. I would always go with medium because I think it's the only one that affects less of your storage, I think. So I do medium. Hang on, it's got to export for a minute. We'll come back to this, hang on. Alright, hey, we're back. So, yeah, I just had to wait for this thing to export first. So, yeah, I had to let it export to my photo album. So, anyway, here's the video that you just saved on your photo album, right? So, here's the video that you just saved. Now, don't actually, like, make the trailer part of it, too. So, this part I'm going to tell you right now. And it's super easy. You go on to, you see that thing right there where it says edit? You tap on that. And then you get this like option to like make your video smaller or something. Therefore, you get to like make the intro and stuff. And so you have to like make the arrows go a bit smaller. And yeah, you do that, and then you hit done, and then there'll be this thing that pops up that says save like a new clip. So it's kind of like, I think like you can make like separate videos or something with it. Like that's the thing with editing, I guess. You click on save clip. You go on the share. Yep, got it. And right here is the voice thing. Voice thing. Here is the new intro that you just made. Yep. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you're probably wondering, like, well, obviously you know how to do it, obviously. So I might make a part 2 about this. So like, that's not scratch that. I'll just leave it at that. So anyway, yeah, that's all that I want to show you guys. I hope this video helps out. Again, you can use these intros anytime you want, and just follow my basic steps. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. So yeah, until then, I'm Riley Smith, signing out, and peace out. Bye, everybody.